Hello everybody. Today we'll take a look at the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. So let's go straight into the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So the poet is in the woods and he is supposed to take a decision as to which road to take. So he is standing at a point where two road diverges. Okay, where the road diverges into two, and so he has to take a decision as to which road he should take. He stood there contemplating. It was early morning and he stood there contemplating as to which road he should take. He stared the road as far as his sight could reach. Okay, till where it bent in the undergrowth, till where the road took a bend, till that distance, the poet stood there staring at the road. Then took the other, just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. So he then decided to take the other road. Okay, and he thought it was a better decision to take the other road because it was grassy and wanted wear. It was greener, there was so much greenery on that road, and it seemed that the road was fresh, not used by many, and it needed wear and tear. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the same. Then as he started traveling, he felt that maybe both the roads will be worn or will be destroyed by human beings to the same extent, or will be tampered by human beings to the same extent, and both will be worn out to the same extent. Okay, the poet is allegorically telling about the decisions we take in life. So there will be situations in life where we are to choose between two things. So our decision matters and our decision decides our life. So in such a situation, the author has chosen a decision which others dare not take, or few others dare to take. So, but as he moves on with the decision, he feels maybe the other decision was equally fair enough. Okay. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. I doubted if I should ever come back. So as he used the other road, he felt that both the roads were equally good, or were equally less torn out, because both the roads had had so many leaves, and the leaves were not trodden by human beings. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Okay, it's okay that I didn't take the first road. I'll keep it. I'll reserve it for some other day. I'll come back some other day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I know that one way leads on to another way. One decision leads on to another decision, and there is lesser chance of me coming back to the same decision. Even then, I console myself, telling that it's okay that you didn't take the first road. We'll come back some other day. Okay. I doubted if I should ever come back. So that is life. Nothing is predictable in life. Okay, this unpredictability of life is the beauty of life. So the author is telling, the poet is telling that I doubted if I should ever come back. I consoled myself telling that I can use the first road some other day, but then I felt, will I be able to do that ever again? Will I be able to go through this same path again? I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all difference. So, some time after so many years, ages and ages hence, after so many years, I'll be I'll be recollecting or contemplating this moment, and I will be pondering over my decision again. Okay, I'll be recollecting this same day when I was supposed to take a decision as to which road I should take, and I took the one less traveled by. I took the decision of traveling on the path that was used by lesser number of people, or I dared to take a decision that many did not dare to. Okay, and that has made all the difference, be it good or bad. Okay, be it good, be my life good or bad, I'll be dedicating my entire life's success or failure to this particular decision I took in life. Okay, I'll be telling with this with a sigh, he says. Sigh has a negative tone or a sad tone, and so maybe he will uh, he will put all the failures of his life onto this decision he took. Okay, that is the poem by Robert Frost. The poem is a very simple one. It allegorically tells the binary nature of the decisions that you take in life. Okay, which decides your life, and after so many years you're going to sit back, relax, and it is then that you are going to think how this particular decision has affected your life. It's that as simple as that. Okay. The speaker is traveling in the forest in the season of autumn. The road diverged into two, and the speaker is just one person, and he could only choose one road. He looks and stares as far as he could, but since it was not straight, he couldn't see too far. He then takes the other path, judging it as a better option of the two. The path he took was grassy and less used by people, so it wanted wear. As he goes along the chosen path, he feels maybe both the paths are equally worn. There are leaves on both the roads, and no human footsteps have walked on them and made them black. He is consoling himself by saying that he will take the other path some other day. After ages, he'll think of this particular decision taking moment which made all the difference in his life. So that's all about the poem. Thank you.